Oh my gosh, that scared me so bad.
Good morning, guys, and welcome to the vlog. Here's what's going on today. I have left work and I am heading to Big Man's field trip. They are going to, oh gosh, I'm gonna forget the name now. Chestatee Nature Preserve. So Big Man's been calling it a zoo. I think I've been there on a field trip with the girls at one point. Maybe Sunshine, maybe Eminem, I'm not sure. And I think what they did is they got under this big pavilion and some adults spoke to them about local animals, and they passed some around that the kids could touch, and it was lots of fun. And then I think we walked around and looked at animals. So if that's what's going on, it sounds like a lot of fun, and Big Man is so excited, and I can see why. Had to slam on my brakes there a second, hold on. That light changed super duper fast. Anyways, can't remember where I left off, but if that's where we're heading, it does sound like a zoo, and I can see why the kids are calling it a zoo, but there's more to it than that. So I'm really looking forward to it. We'll see what kind of things we learn about the animals and what animals Big Man gets to touch today. I think that is going to be his favorite part. I'm glad that you guys are here. Have you ever touched a weird animal? Tell us in the comments below. We would like to know who has touched weird animals. I would tell you the weirdest thing I ever touched was a stingray. Dan and I on our honeymoon went on a cruise, and one of the excursions we did, we went out to the middle of the ocean, stood on the sandbar that every day cruise ships go out and feed the stingrays. So tons of them come, and they're just swimming all around you, and they're beautiful, and it's actually a little bit scary because there's so many, and they're swimming right next to you, and one literally swam past me and hit me in the face with its fin, which, you know, kind of unsettles you, but it was super, super cool. It's, you know, a once-in-a-lifetime experience. I'm so glad I did that. So I'm curious, what is the weirdest animal you've ever touched? Make sure you tell us in the comments below. I can't wait to hear about those things, and I can't wait to get to Big Man's field trip. So let's get driving. So it looks like I beat the buses. Yay! I wanted to be here when Big Man arrived, and let's go wait for Big Man. Hi! How was the bus?
Good.
You had fun with your friends? Who'd you sit with?
Brandon?
You did? Were you guys naughty? You were good? Did you see anything cool out the window?
Yes.
What'd you see?
3 churches.
Lots of churches. There are so many churches.
Like the whole entire class isn't smile at a monkey.
The whole class is going to smile at the angry monkey?
Maybe.
Yeah? They want to see him be angry?
Yeah. I know. What are these? Oh, these are the peacocks.
Let's go see them.
Or it's a bird. It's a wild turkey. Wild turkey. Fat that turkey.
Woohoo! I want him for Thanksgiving.
There's a lemur over there.
Oh, no, he's walking. Wait, there's a bear. A monkey. It's talking. It's talking. The deer. The deer. The deer. Gobble, 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 gobble. Down there, all the way.
Okay.
Turn. Oh my God. He's like,
Hey, did you like that?
you're too close. No, it's not black and white. It's brown and white.
What?
The zebras.
Show me.
I feel like in like
Some
one
are brown
second.
and white, and some are black and white. I see donkey. Where? I see donkey right there. Taking pictures. Oh, more zebras. Look, they're you need?
Did you just pet that zebra?
Yeah.
Look at me.
You did? Show me. Can I film
Look at
it?
the zebra.
Stay away from his mouth.
Look at me. Cute.
I want to rub his belly.
You want to rub his belly?
Michaela.
Isn't that weird?
His face is so pretty. Look.
Wait, put some grass.
I don't know if he wants to eat it. He has tons of grass in there.
Yeah.
But he's beautiful. So are you allowed to touch him?
Yeah.
That's what they said? What were the rules?
Don't, like, in cages, this is not a cage.
Oh, okay.
And don't climb fences.
Okay.
They're so gentle. Oh, these guys are coming.
What are
They
those?
want some pets.
They want to be petted? You want to go pet that llama?
That's literally what they look like.
Yeah.
Can I pet it?
What was the rules? If he said you could, yeah.
Well, if they get out.
Which one do you like better, the white one or the brownish one?
I'm just gonna say.
You like that one? Well, why don't we stand by the fence for a second and see if he'll walk down here by us?
There's a white one back there.
There's another white one. Look, he needs some shade. He's like, it's too hot out here.
Why can't you just go inside of your mini house?
Aw, he's scared. What are the other kids looking at? Should we go take a peek? A horse, okay.
His tongue.
So that's his nose. You gotta hold it lower.
You have to do this.
Or flat, yeah, to protect your fingers. Did he get it? He got it! Hooray! I think he likes it. What do you think?
Yeah. Another wolf. He's awake.
He is awake.
That one's dead.
He is not dead.
Yes, he's not breathing.
He looks dead.
He's just in deep sleep.
Oh, he's definitely not dead.
It was a hard drive.
Gosh, was it so long without an iPad?
No snack. No
Oh,
drink.
no snack. That's the worst part. Me.
Dying.
Why?
My legs.
Your legs are tired from that big hill?
Apparently this is.
Look at that hill we walked up, guys.
I just made a little
And
cast.
Big Man is Big Man is dying and playing with poop.
That's poo.
That's what my guess. Ooh, don't touch it. Let's see if we can find some more animals we haven't seen yet.
Come here. Oh my gosh, look at all of the moss on Come here.
Yes, it is a very mossy tree.
Hey, it was smaller than me.
You don't like it?
You're supposed to eat it?
No, you don't eat it.
Did you eat it?
No, he didn't. Did you?
No.
Oh, good.
Hey, Matthew.
we thought maybe you ate it.
That's a. What is it?
Oh, it's a leopard.
It's a panther. I want to find a panther because that's.
I don't think they have a panther here, but that leopard is beautiful.
It looks like a panther.
It does look like a
Jinx.
panther.
Okay, yes you are. Hello. Hello. Oh my gosh, look how it... Oh my gosh, why does it do that so much? I can't help you so
You hate that?
I can't help you.
You hate that part?
Snake, there's a bird. There's a snake down the
Psh, that's disgusting.
Mommy, there's animals in here. What are these squirmy ones?
Oh, tadpoles.
Tadpoles!
Yeah, I think. Don't you think?
Yeah, can I hold one?
No.
Bear! Bear! Oh, it's the bear! That's cute! Let's go look at the tiger! Here! White tiger. Oh my gosh, that
Doesn't that look amazing? How fun for them. It probably has a pump that just sends it right back through. Look, he's watching you guys. Look at him. You guys are silly. Listen, that is a smart bird. Okay, big man told the bird to dance and he danced.
I just found a corn seed.
Cool.
Fix some popcorn. Dance.
He's telling you a story. Did he bob up and down? Big man speaks dinosaur. Are you having a good field trip?
Yeah.
Yeah, cockatoo.
Did he talk?
Yes.
What is that?
I think they made an octopus.
Is that a horse for scaredy cats? It's pretty cool. Do you wish you had that in your yard?
Yeah.
That'd be fun, huh? Which one was your favorite?
Alligator. The alligator had to go feed some animal. A plastic belly.
You had a plastic belly? That's amazing.
We're gonna go feed some animals.
I think we're gonna line up to go. They use them all the time. Hey, thank you for letting me come. I love you. Well guys, the field trip is over. It seemed like Big Man had a really good time running around to see the animals. I don't think he liked this show at the end very much. He got to touch a cockatoo, a hedgehog, an alligator, and a skunk. So he got to touch some pretty cool animals. I hope you already told us in the comments below some of the cool animals you have had experiences with, because I can't wait to read those. I know Big Man was disappointed because I didn't get to check him out. I need to head back to work and finish my day there. And so he was really hoping he could skip the rest of the school day, but really by the time they ride the bus back to school, it's time to pack up and come home anyways. So I know he's disappointed, but it really isn't that big a deal, right? Maybe that's what I'm telling myself anyways. So I'm glad that you guys were here today. Hope that we see you tomorrow. Bye!